The Vasile Alecsandri University of Bacău is taking an important step in preparing future engineers by inaugurating a digital factory laboratory equipped with state-of-the-art technologies. This integrated system is powered by the latest hardware technologies and advanced software solutions from Siemens, essential for digital manufacturing. Students specialize in innovative technologies, from 3D scanning and modeling to complex simulations and artificial intelligence. They can learn how to program CNC machines and industrial robots, design for 3D printing, optimize production processes, integrating solutions for energy efficiency and circular economy.
The Vasile Alecsandri University of Bacău focuses on the personal and specialized training of its students. The university is deeply anchored in the challenges of the Industrial Revolution 4.0 by adapting curricula, equipping itself with digital products, and collaborating with the industrial environment through visits, student practices, internships, and research programs. Proof of this is the realization of a new digital manufacturing laboratory through PNRR funds, which allows teachers and students to familiarize themselves with state-of-the-art digital technologies. We would like to thank Siemens and especially Digital Twin for their technical consultancy, training, and technical assistance in the use of the new digital tools.
The university supports companies in the area in the digital transformation process by training employees in master's programs in engineering. The new facilities pave the way for advanced research projects and accelerate technology transfer to industry.
The completed laboratories offer students the chance to work with the latest technologies in the field of industrial engineering, all in an interdisciplinary environment, perfect for education or scientific research. The Digital Twin team consists of experts in the field of Industry 4.0, so they provide us with all the necessary training and bring the best practices in the industry to our university.
I met dedicated professors here, very knowledgeable about new technologies. Students studying in Bacău have the opportunity to develop essential skills and have a great start to their careers. The implementation of the project has proven to be a success. The lab seamlessly integrates existing facilities with digital manufacturing technologies and hybrid learning using our platform accessible on training.digitaltwin.ro.